Welcome back to Excel Flash Tips. Today I will show you different ways to manually adjust the height of a row. Let's say we want to increase the height of this row containing months. Position the cursor at the lower border of the row and click it and drag it down. You'll see that Excel will also show you the current row height in terms of number. Here you see the number 32, 40, and once you reach the preferred height, release. Now let's do it another way. Let's say we want to adjust this row 5 here. We can click on the row here, then go to Format, Row, Height, and then manually input the row height that we want. We can also change the row height for multiple cells at once. Select the rows that you want to format, then position the cursor at the lower border of the lowest row. Click and drag down until you reach the desired height and then release. This will heighten all the selected rows at once. You can also select these and go to Format, Row, Height, and manually input the height. If this video has helped you, please click the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any other videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you again soon.